Welcome. Today I want to introduce a really interesting feature that just got live on the Sqwid marketplace and will definitely be very important for all the NFT projects out there. So let's get into it. The new feature is available in the section of creation, so let's click create. Okay, so now we are on the creation page again, where we can create our own NFT, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. And within the process of creation, I'm gonna show you a new feature. So yeah, I'm gonna choose a file. I'm gonna add this turtle here today. Perfect, so we see a preview. And yeah, so let's continue with the title. I'm gonna name the turtle Trevor and describe it as following: turtle in open water. Perfect. Okay, so now we have to enter a royalties receiver, and that's exactly where the new feature comes in. Last time when we did the NFT creation video, we only had the option of adding one royalties receiver to our NFT. But now we have an additional option. If we hover over that plus sign, we see a message that tells me create payment splitter contract with Splitz app. And yeah, let's click on it. Okay, so now I have this app here. And we see my address and we see an input field called shares. Okay, so imagine in my NFT project, I'm the creator, but I also have another team member that is called Ben, and Ben is my community manager. So I'm gonna add Ben's address here. Copy paste. Perfect. So now it's not just my address in the royalties field, but also Ben's address. And we decided on sharing the royalties 50-50. So let's put in here 50-50. So the app Splitz will show us the percentage. So we see 50-50, which is equally shared. Perfect. So now I've added Ben's address as well. So both our addresses will receive the royalties in a share of 50-50. So let's check again. We have my address, we have Ben's address, and we have the shares. And yeah, if I had another team member, I could easily include even more EVM addresses here. But that's not what we're gonna do today. So let's check, and yeah, let's click create. Okay, so now we see that we are creating a contract. So now the ReefChain wallet extension will pop up and ask me to input my password. So let's do that. Click remember for the next 50 minutes and sign the transaction. Perfect, so that was successful. Now we have a message here called Splitzer created. And yeah, we have some information, which is a contract address. Gonna copy that for sure. Okay, so now we have copied this new contract address and we can click close. So now we're back on the integration and we could click interact. So there the app says interact with Splitzer. And we can enter an address here. So let's insert our new contract address and click search Splitzer. Okay, nice. So we found it, which is this contract address here. And also we see owners, which is my address and Ben's address. And the percentages that we specified together. So there's more information here. We can also search other contract addresses, but yeah, that's what we're gonna probably do in the next video. So perfect, so that was successful. Now we can proceed in the NFT creation. So put in our new contract address here. which yeah, includes Ben and myself. So let's say on this NFT we're gonna have 10% royalties and number of copies is 1. I can also choose a collection, so let's choose existing. I'm gonna choose my collection called Reef. Okay, nice. So finally we can add some properties. So we're gonna have background is blue. We have color, which is brown. We could do theme, which is underwater, and scarcity, which is rare for this turtle. Perfect. So now let's check again. We have a title, we have description, we have our new created royalties receiver contract, which includes myself and Ben. We're gonna split 10% royalties value, have a number of copies of 1, collection called Reef, and we added some properties. So now we can click create item. Perfect. So now my extension will pop up and ask me to sign this transaction. So let's click sign the transaction. Perfect. So that was successful. I got back to this information page here where I can see all the respective data for the NFT. And yeah, I see the title, creator, owner, which is all my address. We see the collection it's belonging to. I also see some details here, which is metadata that the status is pending, so it's gonna be checked if there is some malicious content. I also see the token contract, where the media is stored, and some additional information here. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Today was all about royalties and how to distribute them, for example, amongst team members. So I think this is a really important feature that got solved by the Splitz app. And yeah, I'm probably gonna do more content on Splitz and also show the native app and how to use it. And yeah, in the next Sqwid videos, we're gonna do raffles and loans. And yeah, stay also tuned for that. If you have comments or feedback, hit us up in YouTube or on all social media channels. Happy to answer questions. And yeah, have a good day.